this series against Rain or Shine, they will definitely need his ability to knock it down, especially from the long ball. And that skip pass will miss out. Mamuya on the catch. Mamuya takes it strong, and he finishes with a layup.
To land after a shot.
Jonard Clarito posting up against Stephen Holt, and he
Wow.
scores on that nice quick move.
That's a big...
Given how they anticipate Japeth playing a bigger role after missing that match, and how the bench can also come out and provide fresher lights for them to match up with the Elasto Painters. Gentlemen.
32 big points in the second quarter was a major no-no for Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.
That's just all effort coming from Jonard Clarito. 3 seconds to score. Jumper won't work. Rebound for Jalen Johnson. Antonasisio, the forward pass. Clarito banks it home. Clarito claiming that possession for Rain or Shine. Jonard posting up against Holt, forcing it up and in and drawing the foul. That's just a power move.
This kind of a move against Stephen Holt. Big man move from Jonard Clarito. What power in the elbow. Great offense for Barangay Ginebra.
Jalen Johnson launches from deep, misses on the three. Another big boy rebound. Another and one for Clarito.
Rebounder in Scotty Thompson. But what a big effort for him to have gotten that ball. Good strong move. That's going to be end one right there.
Nokog does not have the numbers. He will pull it back out, give it up to Johnson. The swing to Clarito for three. It's gone.
What a ball
huge
game.
quarter for Clarito.
This is just solid third quarter for Justin Brown, and that assist by Barrientos.
Mamuya, hook pass to Johnson. They swing it to Clarito. Launches from deep. Three-point shot is another good one for Jonard Clarito. Jonard Clarito attacks middle. Clarito kicks it out. Johnson another three. Why not? Three straight for Jalen Johnson, catching fire here in the fourth quarter. Red hot here in the final quarter. Mamuya kicks it out. The swing to the corner. Clarito is out three. That's good!
What a swing!
Seconds remaining. A huge pass leading to the assist coming from Jalen Johnson, a three from Clarito. Looking for an opening. Thompson thinks. Thompson drives. Kicks it up. Barrientos for the tie. Left court. And that will do it for the cause of the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.
Look at the closeout. Who was closing out against the Barrientos? It was Jalen Johnson, and then that block.
Had a 40-point game, but in terms of the impact during the third quarter, when nothing else was happening for the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, he came in and changed the game completely.
And those are just big numbers. 25 points and 6 rebounds. And had a big three-point shot. This was it. That ball reversal, that ball coming from Johnson.
Congratulations to our player of the game, Jonard Clarito. Jonard, pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina yung pagbawi mo mula dun sa scoreless elimination around the game. Paano mo nagawang bumawi ngayong gabi?
Nag-stick lang kami sa rule namin at saka ginagawa ko lang yung anong rule ko sa team. Kung ano man, rebound, defense. Ayun na, buti naman, swerte, nakabutas naman ng 3 points.
Nung lamang ang Ginebra sa fourth quarter, paano kayo nag-usap-usap? Paano nyo nakuha itong tagumpay na ito?
Nag-time out kami. Sabi ni Coach, kailangan namin mag-huddle. Yung insecure lang yung play namin para makadikit lang sa kanila.
Jonard, more than 10,000 fans showed up tonight sa Inares Center, Antipolo. Gaano kalaking boost ito para sa'yo and the rest of the Elasto Painters?
Una-una, thank God na nakuha namin yung Game 1. Then, nagpapasalamat kami sa fans ng PBA. And then sa Rain or Shine, yung fans sa Rain or Shine, nandyan sila. Manalo, matalo, hindi kami iniwan. Thank you. And sa family ko, lalo na sa anak ko, 2, sa wife ko. And then, yung sa family namin sa Davao, yun lang. Thank you sa suporta.
Thank you so much, Jonard. Congratulations once again. Let's now hear from Coach Yang Yao.